3, 2, 1, start. If any difficulty arises as to the first constitution of any authority after the commencement of this act, the Chancellor may, on the recommendation of the Vice Chancellor, give appropriate directions to remove such difficulty. Full stop. The Punjab Ordinances Temporary Enactment Act 1973, in so far as it enacts the provisions of the University of Agriculture Faisalabad Ordinance 1973, Punjab Ordinance number 2 of 1973 is hereby repealed. Full stop. Everything done, action taken, statutes, regulations or rules made under the University of Agriculture Faisalabad Ordinance, 1973, Punjab Ordinance number 2 of 1973, and its provisions as enacted by the Punjab Ordinances Temporary Enactment Act, 1973, on or after the 9th January, 1973, and before the commencement of this act, shall be deemed to have been validly done, taken or made. Full stop. New paragraph. Where before the commencement of this ordinance, an authority under the act has been constituted or an officer has been appointed in a manner different from that provided in the act as amended by this ordinance, the person nominated, elected or appointed shall cease to hold office forthwith, and the vacancy caused shall be filled up in accordance with the provisions of the act as amended by this ordinance. Full stop. The university shall include the following faculties, divisions, and directorate, as well as such other faculties, divisions and directorates as may be prescribed. Full stop. The members nominated in clauses and of sub paragraph shall hold office for 3 years. Full stop. New paragraph. The quorum for a meeting of the board of a faculty shall be 1/2 of the total number of members, fraction being counted as 1. Full stop. The board of each faculty shall, subject to the general control of the academic council and the syndicate, have the powers to coordinate the teaching, publication and research work in the subjects assigned to the faculty, to scrutinize the recommendations of the board of studies comprised in the faculty in regard to the appointment of paper setters and examiners, except for research examinations, and to forward the panels of suitable paper setters and examiners for each examination to the Vice Chancellor. Full stop. He has to consider any other academic matter relating to the faculty and to report thereon to the academic council. Full stop.